How to fix Snapchat not sending snaps in 2024, the updated version. This is an easy and a simple tutorial. So what you have to do first is click on your profile. Now from here, you have to go to settings. Then once you're in settings, you have to scroll down. So my account, public profile settings, additional service. You have to scroll down, keep scrolling down, keep scrolling down till you're all the way over here where it says support and feedback. You have to click on bugs and suggestion. You just click on that. Now from here, it's going to be the first option right here where it says report a bug. You're going to click on that. From here, what you have to do is click on camera. Then once you click on camera, you have to write a whole paragraph about what happened. So just tell them, I have an issue where I can't send any snaps. Please fix this urgent. Now you're going to click on choose a topic. You're going to have to scroll down, shoot the second option right here where it said accessing the camera. Just click on that. You're going to submit that. And in 24 hours, Snapchat should get back to you and tell you what your problem is. And your camera should be fixed and you should be able to send snaps. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.